Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to master the snipping tool in just a few minutes. Whether you're using it for work, school, or personal use, this simple tool can save you a lot of time. Let's get started. The snipping tool is a free screenshot utility built right into Windows. It allows you to capture your entire screen, a window, or just a custom area. You can also highlight, draw, and save your snips instantly. Sample travel itinerary PDF with text, images, and tables. This will help us try all options. Use the shortcut Windows plus Shift plus S to start snipping instantly. First, we will explore the different capture modes: rectangular snip, freeform snip, window snip, and full-screen snip. Now this part is really important. After editing, you'll want to save your screenshot. So let you create a new folder and specify the file path in Settings. Always set a consistent folder path for saving your screenshots. How to use all the screenshot modes in the snipping tool. First up, the rectangular snip. With this option, you can drag a box around exactly what you want. For example, I'll select just the first flight detail row in the itinerary. Clean, sharp, and perfect for tables or sections of text. Also, you can paste it in a Word document. Then we have Window Snip. This captures an entire application window. With one click, the whole window is captured, excluding my desktop. The full-screen snip captures everything you see on your monitor, including the taskbar and any open apps. Next is the Freeform snip. Here, you can draw around any shape with your mouse. This is great when you don't want sharp edges and need flexibility. And you can see, the screenshots are automatically saved in the folder specified in Settings. Look at the delay feature, one of the most useful tools. When you click the small clock icon, you can set a delay. Why use it? Some menus or tooltips disappear as soon as you try to snip them. With delay, you have time to prepare your screen. So, the delay button is your friend whenever you need to capture pop-ups, tooltips, or right-click menus. Let us look into the editing tools now. Once you've captured a screenshot, Snipping Tool provides several markup and editing options. Pen Tool lets you draw freehand on your screenshot. Useful for circling important points, drawing arrows, or marking areas. You can also change the pen color and thickness. Highlighter works like a real highlighter pen. Drag across text or sections to highlight key information. Great for marking important sentences in a PDF or figures in a report. Eraser, used to remove pen or highlighter marks. Doesn't erase the screenshot itself, only your markup. Helpful when you make mistakes while annotating. Shapes, insert arrows, rectangles, and circles/ovals to point out key details. Shapes are resizable and can be recolored for better visibility. Crop tool trims away unwanted parts of the screenshot. Helps focus on just one detail. You can instantly extract, organize, and even hide sensitive information from your snips. After you capture a screenshot, click on the Text Actions button. Then select Copy All Text. This extracts every word from the snip and copies it to your clipboard. Next, if your screenshot contains structured data, like a timetable or price chart, you can use Copy as Table. This keeps the formatting intact when you paste it into Excel or Word. And finally, the Quick Redact option. This is super useful for hiding sensitive details. Just click Quick Redact, and Snipping Tool will automatically blur or block items like emails, phone numbers, or account details. Flexibility. You can send your screenshot straight to Microsoft Paint with one click. After you capture and annotate a snip, click on the Edit in Paint button at the top menu. This instantly opens the screenshot in Microsoft Paint. You can add text, draw shapes, use of advanced tools like fill colors, save in more formats and so on. So, whenever Snipping Tool's markup isn't enough, just hit Edit in Paint for more powerful editing and customization. It's a perfect combo for creating detailed screenshots in seconds. Snipping Tool isn't just for screenshots anymore. You can now record your screen directly. Click on the record icon to switch from screenshot mode to recording mode. Now, drag your mouse to select the exact area you want to record, just like selecting a snip. This is useful when you only want to capture part of your screen, like a browser window or a document. Once you've selected your area, click the Start button. Now Snipping Tool will begin recording everything happening inside that box, whether you're scrolling, typing, or demonstrating something. When you're done, click the Stop button on the control bar. The Snipping Tool will automatically open a preview window, letting you watch your recording before saving it. Click Save as to store your recording as an MP4 video file on your computer. It's perfect for tutorials, demos, or quick how-to clips without needing any external app. Want your screenshots to look cleaner and more professional? Here's a quick tip: you can automatically add a border to every screenshot you take using Snipping Tool. In Settings, you'll find an option that says Add Border to each screenshot. Turn this toggle on. You'll notice that every new screenshot now has a clean border automatically added around it.